So there's slight traffic. Let's say there's a lot of traffic. I'm just riding through traffic, but this is like moving traffic till now. How many times have I said the word traffic? The bike is eating up. Oh. This guy is spitting has no shame. He loves spitting on the road. So it's been a while since I posted something, and I'll explain you the reason why I haven't been active on YouTube at all. So what had happened is my DJI Osmo Action, then my Sony mic, the adapter along with the mic. I had a huge case with all the accessories and all the mounts for the Osmo Action, and which is compatible with any other camera, the action cameras, and as well as my Pohem iStudy 4, the gimbal for the action camera. So all these items got robbed from my house. Yes, you heard me right. All of them got robbed from my house. I did register a police complaint, but it didn't really help that much because I didn't have any proof or footage or even a suspect or doubt on who would do it. So for those 4 months I didn't have anything really with me to record the rides or me riding or going anywhere. But I did go for some few rides, but however wasn't possible for me to record because I didn't have any backup action camera. I had only one with me. I was really happy with that camera. I didn't really find a need to buy a new camera, but after that incident I just put a stop on YouTube for some time. I didn't really record anything much, and now I'm back in action. I got a DJI Osmo Action 4. I'm currently recording from this camera itself. So once I go on my rides again, I will record and I will start my channel again. So this video was just to give you all an update on where I was and what exactly happened. I did register a complaint with the police station, but it was kind of pointless because I didn't have any proof to give them, like some video footage of someone sneaking into my house or sneaking into the building. And apparently even in my area the restaurants weren't that supportive with the camera footages. So I have no clue, no evidence of who robbed it. So yeah. So then for the past 4 months I did not have anything to record except for my phone, but I wouldn't use my phone for motovlogging because I have one phone, and then there's a possibility of the phone lens being at risk, and phones are not that great for motovlogging, to be honest. The cameras are not that stable. So now what I'm recording through is the DJI Osmo Action 4. Yes, you heard me right, Osmo Action 4. So I had the Osmo Action, the first of its release, and now I'm jumped straight to 4. I was very happy with my old camera. I wouldn't need to buy a new one anytime sooner because the audio quality was good, video quality was good. But then let's test out the 4 and see how it is. So I'm back with my vlogs now, and whenever next I'm going out on any rides, I will show it to you all soon. And I got some few new fancy items. For starters, as you can see in this video, this is the new handlebar. Because my old handlebar is got slightly bent on the left hand side. Remember my Goa video? I fell down on the left on the hill. The bike fell down. And that time I discovered it created a slight dent in the handlebar. But it's okay, that's life.
So right now I'm recording at 4K 60 FPS, decent log, and it's only Rocksteady, not Rocksteady Plus. So just want to see how I'm getting a better view. Yes. So right now I'm recording at 4K 60 FPS with HB on. Now it's HB. HB is horizon balancing. Remember I was talking to you earlier about it. Horizon balance. So what horizon balancing does? So right now I'm sitting on the bike. I'm recording. Okay. And this is the horizon. So even if I tilt my head left, right, I'm already doing it right now. I'm tilting my head on the left and the right. You won't know. Like, you'll be like, who's this dumb person talking? Like, why is he saying he's tilting his head on the left and right? And the camera is not even moving. So when I stop at a signal, I'll show you once again what I'm actually meaning to say. This is like next level stabilization. So what it does is the sensor, it senses when your camera is changing angles towards the left or the right when you're tilting, but apparently you are not tilting. You are tilting, but the camera won't tilt. See, now I'm recording. Okay, so in this very video you can see my head tilting, but you won't see the video tilt. I know I'm looking like a stupid fool doing this at the signal. See, I'm tilting the entire camera, but the video won't tilt. The video will still remain, will still record the video. And the signal has started, and I was recording a video. See the green light? One drawback of the horizon balance is, so for example when you're climbing a ghat, now you know on the ghat your center of gravity never remains in the center always, either on the left or on the right. So what the video will do is, the video might not give that much justice. It will show that you're climbing the ghat but you're not even tilting or bending at all. So it looks very odd and it doesn't look. Not a video, not at all, no.